Hi, this is Ronnie, and this is How to Kill a Kit with Style, what I have left and what I created. I have this, and it's ephemera plus fussy cut stuff and punched out stuff, but I did use quite a few, but these are what I had left. And of course this kit was left over from the month before. I had two of these left. I used one last month and one this month. And I had a bunch of doilies in here because I knew I was going to be doing girl layouts. So I put quite a few in, and I think I put quite a dent in them. Oh, that's a scrap. I guess I didn't put it up with the others. This is Watch Me Flip Spiegel Mom scraps. And I did use several. I pulled this in because I needed some more letters, and I used quite a few, actually. Oh, I didn't put this up either. That's what I have left of these, and I had started out with a partial and finished it off, and then I got these out. And these I didn't use a whole lot of because if you could see it in there, they're not sticking even in here. And even with liquid glue, they did not stick very well. These are the cut-aparts that I still had as bigger pieces. There's not very many, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I cut that one out. And the rest of this goes in there. I used those off and on. I knew I wasn't going to use all the thread for sure, but I did put it in there so I'd have it. I pulled these in because I was looking for something else and found them. And of course that little bag tore right away, so I put in something else. It looks like less being in the bigger bag, but I think I used like 9 of them, is all I used, because I just used them on that one layout. And here's some scraps and a little more thread. This is the only full sheet that I had left, and this is the other side. I did not like it. It's not very often at all I say I don't like a sheet of paper, but if I had something, you know, I don't know. I mean, someday I might run across something, but I saved it, kind of, sort of, because I already cut one up like this and used them. And there, what's left of them is in here, but I don't have very many. These are just my scraps and bigger scraps, but yeah, I do have some in here. And I fussy cut the donut one out, but yeah, there's a few that I didn't use, and these are the scraps. But I'd save it because it could go with a lot of different collections. And like I said, I couldn't think of nothing. I went through a whole stack of pictures, well, maybe 3 or 4 stacks, but right at the last, just to make one more layout, I went through a big old stack, and I'd looked over and over again, couldn't find anything. This is what I have left of my sticker sheet, and I actually used some of these. I was just thrilled about that. And I pulled this in. I was needing something else on a page, and I ended up using this was like almost new. There wasn't but maybe a couple things out of it, so I used quite a few of those. And then I put 2 of these in so I'd have different things to go with titles, and then this to go with them. And I've used some. And another scrap, and this was 2 different ones, and now it's only partial. But these are my layouts that I created. I did this one, and it's a precious find. Oh, my eye moved. I'm gonna have to glue that back on. But you can see she's on the floor. Well, she's on the floor at church. Oh, I'm not going to share that now because I do have a video. I've had loads and loads of technical difficulties, and the biggest one being Everybody's on the internet. I live 10 miles out of town. My internet is cable, so you can imagine how it is when it gets to me. But there are so many on there. It takes hours to upload a video, and if it goes off for a minute or two, it just comes to a halt. And then it has to process or render the video again, which I don't understand that part, and then upload again. And if it gets stopped, well, I've got all these have videos, but I don't have them uploaded. But I'm hoping the ones that I've got planned to upload today go. That's all I can say. I just hope they go. But yeah, this one, I'm not going to share much on any of them until hopefully you'll get to see the video. Yeah. But she is at church and on the floor. And this one, I think it's, yeah, see this one here, I used that scrap piece of paper that I put in there. It was a scrap when I put it in there. But yeah, I used it. And here's where I brought in the Amy Tan stickers, the clear stickers, because really the other stuff didn't go that well with this, only a few things. So I thought, I need something else. But I used that scrap that I had forever in my scrap thing and kept thinking, I don't want to throw that away, and I don't want to use it just for punching or something because I really liked it. And I've got this one, Charlie, and I used a 4x6 card there. And then this one, Hope. Boy, it didn't work very well putting them up there. I thought it would. Hope. And don't she look so old there? She's only like 2.5. She didn't turn 3 till December. And this was like the first part, oh, maybe September. And so she's still like a few months being 3. But she looks so old there. It must have been the way the light hit it or something. And then I got this one. I used some more of those Amy Tan ones. It's Oh Happy Life, I believe, what they were from. I'm not 100% sure. And then this one, this is my last one. So it's 6 layouts that I got done. But so I killed the kit, sort of, kind of, because the paper's what I want to kill when I do it. Because I can always use the other stuff with something else. And so yeah, I got the paper done, so I'm happy. But yeah, watch for the videos. Hopefully, I don't know. You would not believe all the technical issues I've had besides the internet thing. But thank you all so much for watching, and hopefully this goes up soon. Since it won't be fast forwarded, and you know, really it's longer that way, and then you know, you can press it down, it might get uploaded before anything goes off. But I want to thank you all so much for watching and checking out my How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I will next have my kit for the month of April. So watch for that tomorrow. Well, hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully this goes up today. But thank you a lot. Bye.